Let's take a look at how to save palette. The palette can help us quickly call the attributes of the fixture. Let's first take a look at how to save shared palette global. Click on Fixture window, then we select a fixture. Press Locate to turn it on. Suppose we want to save some color palette? Then we can click on Color attribute, turning the A wheel to adjust the value of C1. For example, we want to save a white color. Even if the color is already white, we still need to turn the encoder to activate this attribute. Suppose we don't activate it. Here we choose to deactivate. The status bar is showing green now. It's in the deactivated state. If we haven't activated any attributes, press Store and saving a palette. It can't be saved, so we must first activate a certain attribute before it can be saved in the palette. We turn the encoder to activate the color attribute. The status bar is red now. There are two methods to store the palette. First method is press the Store button. Click on the blank grid. The palette can be saved successfully this way. The second method is double-click a blank grid directly. This is a quick method for saving palette. Rotating to red. Double-click a blank grid to save the red palette. Rotating to orange. Double-click to save the orange palette. Rotating to blue. Double-click to save the blue palette. Rotating to green. Double-click to save the green palette. We have just stored palettes of 5 different colors. Press Clear button. Let's go to the Fixture window to choose Fixture. I select all the beam lights. Press Locate to Light On. Then we go back to the palette window. Click on the palette. Red, orange, blue. All these palettes are available for normal use. We selected a single fixture to store these color palettes. Fixtures with the same light library can all use these palettes. This is the shared palette called Global